Hello everybody. I know it's one of the very contemporary topics, what is the trade relations between India and Canada, overall aspects of further accelerating the cooperation between India and Canada, and which are the trade areas where we can benefit from each other. India and Canada have been trading partners for many years, and I know that trading history has gone through a few of ups and downs, but I think a common heritage of the being part of the Commonwealth, largely one of the few places in the world where you walk down and you realize that Indians are probably one of the largest ethnic groups in Toronto, in the Greater Toronto area. You land in Vancouver, again the welcome sign written in Punjabi, it just makes you feel so much at home. So the point here is that Canada can look at the growth of India as an opportunity, and that opportunity comes in practically all walks of life. In my opinion, the first opportunity is really in aerospace and defense. I'm quite conscious, because we work in engineering with Bombardier, that companies like Bombardier have a unique footprint both in air transport as well as on rail transport. And India, with its continued investments in infrastructure, can benefit from that relationship, a little more intense relationship. Similarly, in terms of developing the road infrastructure, I think Canadian companies can use India as a base for a global expansion. India itself gives a lot of investments are being planned for this sector. So in my opinion, that's a sector that will definitely see a fair amount of growth. We know that one of the Canadian companies, RIM, has done a fair amount of business in India, but in my opinion that can be accelerated. In telecom sector, if we cooperate and collaborate together, we can actually look at next generation products for RIM or for anybody else, because ultimately India would be the second largest or probably the largest market in telecom. Canada has traditionally had strengths, Nortel, BlackBerry, they just give you examples of the traditional strengths that Ottawa and the rest of the world, the Canada has had. Question is, how do we continue to be the leaders of the pack? How do we continue to build on the capability? So, net, Canada and India can cooperate in engineering, infrastructure, telecom, manufacturing, and there's a fair amount of scope for a two-way cooperation.